Hi there, my name is Nick Guadagnano, and I'm making this video for Daniel Pope. Daniel runs one of the best marketing agencies that I have ever worked with, and also I've been through all of his courses, and I can say without a doubt that Daniel has some of the best courses when it comes to sales funnels, Facebook marketing, online advertising, or just online business in general. He really knows his stuff. Now, here's the thing. In the online marketing industry, it's hard to find someone that's trustworthy and reliable when it comes to your working with your business. So we've all had someone that we've hired and things didn't go as planned, and it leaves us with a sour taste in our mouth. But I can say for a fact that when you work with Daniel, you're not going to have to worry about any of that stuff. It's truly a breath of fresh air when you can work with someone and you know that they have your best interest in mind. And that's how it is when working with Daniel Pope. So if you're watching this right now and you're considering working with him or buying a course or moving forward with whatever program he's released, I highly recommend it, and chances are I've already been through it and implemented it into my business because he's one of the few people that I follow very closely in the online marketing world. So again, thank you so much, Daniel, for everything you've done for me and my team. And for whoever's watching, I wish you the best and I hope to see you on the inside. So bye-bye for now.